Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is my part let assembly. So now we have to draw in solidedge. So first of all we have to select protrusion. Select this one, okay, and draw a circle of 68 diameter. Okay, return it. Now we have to symmetric view. So select this one. Okay, how much? 15 mm. Okay, finish. Now what we have to do, we have to use command cutout this feature. Okay, draw a circle. Okay, and another circle of 41. Okay, skip, return it. It should how much? It should be of 4 mm. Okay, enter. Okay, finish. Finish one. Okay, you can see it. Select this within skip. Okay, now we have to take a protrusion of return. Okay, and take cutout command and return it, or off this one. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to draw first of all a circle. Okay, and now what we have to do, now we have to draw two line. Skip. Okay, another one. Okay, now give smart dimension. Distance between this one and this one should be of 4. Okay, and distance between this one and this one should be also 4. Now again select a line from here of angle 68.83. Wait minute, now you have to calculate. 360 divided by 72. It should be 60.8. Okay, enter. Of how much? Okay, now use command of offset. Offset this line. Take command. Okay, either and this end. Okay, select. Okay, now what we should to do, we should to trim the entities, or draw view to draw a circle of how much? You have to draw a circle of 41. And this one is also 41. So now we have to draw a circle. Okay, we have to take. Okay, so draw a circle of how much? 31. Should to be radius 31. Okay, now use trim command. Trim this one and also this one also, and this one also. Okay, also trim this one. No, okay, now return through hole. Okay, finish. Now we have to use a command of circular. Okay, so select uh, this one pattern, cut out to, skip, cut out to, circular command. Okay, this one we okay. How much? Draw a circle. Okay, it should be of 17. Again we have to use the command cut out, circular command. Okay, uh, use circular. Should be of 17. I think there is some mistake. So undo. Okay, we have to use cutout. Okay, circular command. इसमें से फिर पोर्शन करना है ये वाला, ये कर दिया तो कोइंसिडेंट प्लेन हम लेंगे ये वाला. ओके, सो सर्कुलर पैटर्न ड्रॉ. ओके, how much it should to be of 17 teeth. Okay, return. The fade pattern option did not respond properly to the part. You may try editing the pattern to use the smart option. Finish. Okay, command. Circular pattern. Okay, now it will be okay. Now how much it should be of 17? Okay. Yes. So it is done. Finish. Okay. Now we have to use again cutout. So cutout and this place. Okay. And draw a circle. Zoom in. Of how much? 56. Okay. Enter. Skip. Return. How much it should to be 7. Enter. Okay. Okay. Return. Now you see yes, it's okay. It is same about to this part. Okay. Now again we have to use a cutout command. So cut out and at this is now. Okay. Now we have to draw a circle again and it should be of die 18. Okay. Draw a circle. How much it should to be of 18? Not 18. it should to be of, like when we to see the dimension correctly. So skip, undo, take a circle, and its radius should to be 18. Okay, enter, and return, and it should to be of how much? 4. Okay, enter, finish. Again use cutout command. At this face, draw a circle of how much? 18. Okay, enter, return, how much? 4. Okay, now we have to use again a cutout command at this surface. So select cutout, and it should to be at this surface. Okay, draw a circle of that 28. Enter, skip, return, and it should to be through all. Okay, finish. Okay, now what we should to do, now we have to use a cutout command again. So cutout, select this piece, and draw a circle of 33. How much? 33. Okay, enter, skip. Now we have to draw another circle also. Okay, now we have to select lines. Okay, and another 2 lines. This one dimension, distance between this line and this line should be of 1. Okay, and distance between this line and this line is also 1. Okay, now select a line. Okay, from this one, its angle should be of -100 at this direction. Okay, select another line from also here, its angle should be of -80. Okay, now use trim entities, trim command, trim this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, and it should be return. Okay, throughout. Okay, finish. Now again use circle pattern, cutout 7. Okay, twitch, okay, and this one, yes. Okay, circular pattern. Okay, feature, yes. Okay, so draw a line. Okay, and it's also be how much it's counting is 40, 17. Okay, yes. finish. Now only one thing, now we have to use a round command. Round this is okay. Now we have to round this one also. It should to be of 0.5. How much? 0.5. Okay. And also this one should to be 0.5. Okay. Select. Okay, now we have to return this one. Okay, view. And there are of some chamfer. Select this one. Which one? Chamfer. It should to be at this one. Okay. How much? It should to be of 1. Okay. And now what we have to do? Yeah, we have to round at this one. How much? 1 or 0.5. Enter. Okay. Review. Okay. Finish. So this is our final shape of this part assembly. Okay, so now we have to rotate